Okay, so hi dear Libra, a very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a journal you versus them energy check-in for all the Libra Sun Moon Venus rising. This is just a current energy check-in. Okay, it's not it's timeless. Okay, so the rules can be reversed also, and let's start. Yeah, good to go. If you want to be a tarot card reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. The link is in the description box for the same. If you want to start your self healing journey with Ho'oponopono but don't know from where to start, you can definitely start by purchasing my masterclass. Again, the link is in the description box for the same, and it has the power to change your life for the rest of your life. Trust me on that, I'm doing it from a very long time now. And if you want one on one healing sessions or personal readings, you can check out the description box and you can mail me for the same. So let's start. Libra. Okay, one on one consultations or healings, you can check out the description box. You will get the links. If you have any doubts or queries, then you can mail me, right? Let's see, Libra. On your side, what we have the Wheel of Fortune, the Seven of Swords, the Three of Pentacles. Okay, you are in this energy of letting the universe do its job, and everything is going to be crystal clear in front of you about a connection, about a collaboration, about a partnership. Maybe somebody cheated on you or did something really wrong with you, and you're waiting for the right time when everything is going to be revealed to everybody regarding this collaboration, this partnership. Maybe you are the one doing something behind somebody's back and you are waiting for the time to reveal it to them, and or the vice versa. But you are definitely in this energy of waiting for the right time when you will be able to have crystal clear clarity about some kind of deceptiveness regarding a connection, partnership, collaboration, whatever you call it. Hmm? So you're waiting for the right time so that the truth is going to be out, the secret is going to be revealed, and everything is going to be crystal clear. Now let's see the energy attached to you, what they are up to. We have the Eight of Wands, the Two of Cups, and the Four of Cups. See, they are not sure what they feel about the situation. They are not sure. They have other options too. Although this person is not able to connect with anybody out of those options that they have, but they are not very sure about this situation as well. When they talk to you, they feel a soulmate kind of a dynamic, a strong connection, a strong bonding, a spiritual kind of connection as well. But when you guys are not talking to each other, it's kind of making them emotionally very confused because they have other options too, and they feel they should connect with other people too, and understand whether maybe one out of those options is their soulmate or something. Wow. So even if somebody is feeling like a connection, a bond between you and them, they are not sure that you are the one for them. They are not very sure that you guys will be able to make this work out, or for whatever reason they're emotionally confused and kind of stressed out. They are not able to understand what they should do. God. But they definitely have other options too, and they're keeping their options open, although not able to connect with anybody. That is a different chapter. Okay, let's see for the connection what we have. Right now, they're very emotionally confused regarding the situation between you and them. They're like, I don't know, what should I do? We have the Nine of Swords, the Three of Cups, the Ace of Wands. It's like a very stressful kind of collaboration partnership that you guys are having with each other. Both of you are not able to understand what is going to be the future direction of the situation. Although there is a lot of attraction and passion between you guys, and maybe you guys are physically very much attracted to each other, or physically involved with each other, but that is not adding up to the emotional fulfillment that you guys are looking forward to having a connection from both the sides. And it's kind of stressing the hell out of both of you because you guys are not able to understand the truth and the clarity and the the all, like what it is, kind of a deal, right? You are confusing the hell out of me as well. So it is so stressful for both of you to connect with each other on that level because both of you are not able to understand whether it's just for the timing kind of a deal, whether it's just an infatuation, or just for a physical pleasure kind of a thing, or whether it's beyond that and you guys are attached to each other emotionally as well. So you guys are trying to find out and figure out what it is and how it is going to be. As of now, it's stressful. As of now, this connection is going through a period of test, like where maybe you guys are going to pass or fail, I don't know, but it's a testing phase of the situation between you guys. Okay, listen to your higher self. This is the guidance. Your higher self is something that is going to give you the right and the correct answers, even if you don't want to listen to that. Yeah, it's going to make you feel uncomfortable. you're going to get answers on a deeper level. For that, you have to meditate, you have to connect with your higher self. Okay, a lot of people make a fool of other people. You have to connect with your higher self, and you have to do this and you have to do that. Just meditate. Your inner energy, your inner voice, your higher self, your God, your universe, everything is there only within yourself. Okay. Don't get fooled by people who are just trying to have marketing strategies. Just close your eyes, meditate every day, every day, every day. Ask the same question: what this person means to you, what this person means to you, what this person means to you. Or you can reframe your own question, and you will definitely get the answer one day. That's how you connect. Okay, honey. So thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. God bless you. Namaste.